Third Roman, express -6 as the sum of a negative integer and a whole number. Express -6 as the sum of a negative integer and a whole number. Serial number, negative integer plus whole number, sum. What is the sum they gave? -6. What they gave? -6. And a whole number and a negative integer. This is a whole number, this is a negative integer. Here, what is the least whole number? 0. 0 to which number we are subtracted means we are getting -6. Adding, we are adding. 0 to how much we are adding means we are getting -6. -6. -6 plus 0 is equal to -6. What is the next whole number? 1. How much adding means we are getting -6? -7 plus 1 is equal to -6. Next, 2. -8 plus 2 is equal to -6. 3 -9 plus 3 is equal to -9. -6. -10 plus 4 is equal to -6. If you want means you will take any number also, but the answer is -6. I am saying, I am giving some examples. -50 plus 44. How much answer? -6. -100 plus 94. How much answer? -6. You will take any digit, but the answer is -6. What I asked, a sum is -6. That is your wish. Which number also you will take. Not only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your choice. With any number also you will take, but the answer is -6. -6.
పైకి రాలేదు మేడం.
Children, exercise 2, represent the following additions on a number line and compute the following. Exercise 2 you have to learn. Exercise 3, represent the following subtractions and solve the following you have to learn in the exercise 3. Now exercise 4 we have to learn multiplications in integers. First fill in the blanks. Page number 10, maths textbook, page number 10, fill in the blanks. -100 into -6. These both are negative integers. Both are negative integers. Minus into minus plus. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. Once again listen. Minus into minus plus. No need to write positive sign. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. Next, -3 into dash is equal to 3. Here, -3 to which number we have to multiply means we are getting positive 3. It is -3. Here, which number we have to multiply? We are getting 3, positive 3. What is the answer, children? -1. Minus into minus plus. 3 ones are 3. Next, 100 into -6. This is positive. This is negative. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. Here 100 is negative integer. Here -6 is negative integer. Both are same, but here both are negative integers they gave. Minus into minus plus. Here one is positive, one is negative they gave. 100 into 6, 600. Plus into minus, minus. Next, -20 into -10. -20 into -10. Minus into minus plus. Here 10 zeros are 0. 10 twos are 20. Minus into minus plus. No need to write the plus sign. Next, 15 minus 3. 15 into minus 3. 3 5s are 15. Write 1 carry. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Here, which sign is there? Positive sign. Here, which sign is there? Negative. Plus into minus? Minus. Keep minus sign before the 45. Next, first Roman is completed. Fill in the blanks. Second Roman, find each of the following products. 3 into -1. 3 into -1. 3 is positive integer. -1 is negative integer. 3 into -1. 3 ones are 3. First you multiply 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Next here which sign is there? No sign. No sign means plus. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal -3. Next -21 into -30. minus 21 into minus 30. Here minus 21 into minus 30. First we will put 0 in the right side of the number. Here 0 is there. First you will remove the 0. First multiply it with 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. What is the last number here? 0. 0 put the right side of the 63. Right side of the 63. Otherwise 31s are 30. 31s are 30. Write 0. Next 32s are 60. 60 plus 3, 63. 60 plus 3, 63. Here these both are negative signs. Both are negative signs. Minus into minus, plus. No need to write the plus sign. If it is negative means we will put the negative sign. If it is positive, no need to put the plus sign. Next number is minus 15, and again these 3 into minus 1, 2 more examples in the textbooks. You will do it at home. Next minus 15 into 0 into 18. Minus 15 into 0 into 18. 15 zeros are. 15 zeros are how much? 0. 0 to which number? The biggest number also we are multiplied means we are getting answer is 0. 1000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, any number. 0 to multiplied any number, that answer is 0. 15 zeros are 0. 0 into 18. 0 into 18 is equal to 0. Next, sixth one. Minus 12 into minus 11 into minus 10. Sorry, plus 10. 10 11s are 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10. Right, carry on. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Once again, listen carefully. First, we have to multiply these two digits. 10 ones are 10. Right, 1 here, 0 here. Next, 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 right here. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Next, here again which number is there? Minus 12. Minus 12 into minus 110. Minus 12 into minus 110. 12 zeros are 0. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. Next, 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 12 plus 1, 13. Once again see this multiplication. 12 zeros are 0. 12 ones are 12. Write 2 here. 1 carry to the next place. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Next, which is here, which signs are there? Both are negative signs. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. 30, 20. Good morning children. Yesterday before class we said first Roman. So represent the following subtractions and number line. Today we have discussed that solve the following. That exercise only second Roman. Solve the following. 17 minus half minus 14. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 17 plus 14. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 17 plus 14 is equal to 31. Once again listen. 17 minus half minus 14. 17 minus half minus 14. Minus into minus plus. The product of two negative integers is positive integer. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 31. Next, second sum. 13 minus half minus 8. 13 minus half minus 8. Minus into minus plus. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is equal to how much? 21. 13 minus half minus 8. Minus into minus plus. 13 plus 8, 21. Next, third question. 19 minus half minus 5. 19 minus half minus 5. The product of two negative integers. This is negative, this is negative. Both are negative. Both are negative means the product is positive. Product is positive. 19 plus 5. 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. Next, 15 minus 28. 15 minus 28. Here, this minus 28 is the negative integer. 28 minus 15. This is a negative, this is a positive. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Here, biggest number have which sign? Minus. Biggest number have which sign? Minus. The answer before you will keep minus sign. Why? Because biggest number have minus sign. This result also keep the negative sign. Next one, 25 minus 33, same as is line so. 25 minus 33. 33 minus 25. 33 minus 5 is equal to 8. Here biggest number have which side? Minus sign. Minus 8. 80 minus of minus 50. Minus of minus 50. Minus into minus plus. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 8, 13. Once again listen this sum. 80 minus of minus 50. Minus into minus plus. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 8, 30. 130. Next, 7th sub question. 150 minus 75. 150 minus 75 is equal to 75. Next, 13 minus of minus 18. 32 minus of minus 18. 32 plus 18. 32 plus 18 is equal to 50. Fine.
ఇది ఎర్ర ఉన్నది
Fine.
రెడ్గా ఉన్నది రెడ్ కలర్
Fine.
కాలేదు
Children, third sum. A certain freezing process requires the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Once again listen this question. Listen carefully. A certain freezing process requires one room. The temperature is processing. Here what is the temperature of a room? 40 degrees centigrade. The room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. The temperature of a room, what is the present room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. What they are saying, every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing minus 5 degrees centigrade. Every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing. Decreasing means keeping the negative sign. Keep the negative sign. If it is increasing means positive sign. If we what they are said that is the temperature is decreasing. The temperature is decreasing means keep the negative sign. Every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing. How much degrees Celsius? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. Here what they asked the temperature in 10 hours. Every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing. For 10 hours how much temperature is decreasing? 50 degree centigrade. What is the actual room temperature? 40 degree centigrade. 40 plus of minus 50. 40 plus of minus 50 degrees. Plus into minus 40 minus 50. 40 minus 50 is equal to minus 10 degree Celsius. Once again listen this now. Next, the temperature of a room. Present room temperature is 40 degree centigrade. Every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing 5 degree Celsius. Here that is decreasing. Decreasing means keep the negative sign. If it is increasing means keep the positive sign. What they given here given in the sum? They said decreasing the temperature. Every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing. How much? Minus 5 degree Celsius. Here the temperature in 10 hours. The temperature in 10 hours. 10 into minus 5. 10 5 is 50. Here plus into minus 50. Here the temperature 10 hours after the process begins. The temperature 10 hours after the process begins. 40 degree centigrade plus minus 50 degree centigrade. 40 minus 50 is equal to minus 10 degree centigrade. Are you understood, children?